In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about managing a trade, because the way that you make money is setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then you manage it. Now, this was the original setup as far as support in Lulu. It did trigger entries on both a 15-minute and a 30-minute chart. Your typical target that you shoot for is going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. But guess what? We don't always make targets. So how are you supposed to trail up your stops? Okay, I'm going to show you one way. There's actually 3 ways that I'm okay with looking at. The other 2 are going to be having stops underneath the prior swing lows or prior swing highs, depending on where you're coming from. And the other way would be if the move is already pretty well set, you can use the moving average crossover the other way as an exit. But I'm going to show you how you can use symmetry. So this is the 15-minute chart. And what I see here is just really minor pullbacks. Okay, so if this trend is going to continue in the same degree, then ideally it holds above the symmetry. But if it breaks, to me, that would be an indication to get out of the way. Because here, we're going to take this prior high to low. Let's project that from the recent high. Let's see, this swing comes in a little bit higher. It's pretty much on top of the other one. Okay, so the area where you have the symmetry, you've got one area at 206.99 to 207.12, and you have one area at 206.19. That's going to be the largest prior swing down to place a stop underneath. So ideally, we're going to stay above the symmetry, and what you can do is just have the stop underneath 206.19. Okay, because if it breaks the symmetry, it typically gives you a deeper downside correction, and if you're not willing to sit through that, then you might as well get out, and you can always go back in later. So that's one of the ways that you can identify a trailing stop.